Hello everyone, here is Javende. In today's video I want to show you how to deal with a Abloy Profile. It is a disk detainer lock that has 11 disks that lock the sidebar. The core rotates 180 degrees, and after this rotation, the lock is open. To do gutting, I had to remove the actuator and on the back of the lock I marked with the black dots when the lock is open and when the lock is closed. Now it's closed. Now it's open. As you can see, we have rotating of the key from 90 degrees, and after that the core is rotate to another 90 degrees. Okay, here we have the keyway. Inside we have 11 discs. That how it looks, the key. To open this lock, I will be using a pick that I made myself from tubing. Outside diameter 8 millimeters and inside 4 millimeters, and pin ejector as well. The head from pin ejector had 8 millimeters, and shaft from this pin ejector, here you can see in original 4 millimeters. That's how it looks like, the tensioner and the pick. Alright, so let's take a look to the internals. Alright, so here we have all the guts, all the internals outside. That's how it looks like. The housing, nothing fancy and special, only groove for the sidebar. Sidebar, it is a round bar, similar to Abloy Sentry, which significantly reduce the feedback. So if you don't have at least I don't know, 3, 4 or 5 discs set up correctly, feedback can be really bad. Alright, here we have a housing from the core, from the discs, with groove for sidebar. Let's take a look for discs. We have 11 discs in this lock, disc number 1 and discs number 11. They are responsible for the key profile, and that is need to They are responsible for a key profile that will be worked in this log. Also, disk number 1 is a free spinning disk, so you have to tension whole mechanism from disk number 11 and disks number 2 to number 10 are disks that you have to set in a properly position. There can be false gates on these disks and one true gate, of course, if it is not a core with mastering. So let's take a look. Disk number 1. As you can see, one true gate and two false gates. Disk number 4. You have one false gate and one true gate. Alright, here you have spacers or washers. I don't know what is the different. You have the key and the beating. So I think that will be all from the internals. So let's try to pick. Alright, this is an Abloy Profile. As you can see, it's working. So let's try to pick. Disk number 1 and 2 are max. Disk number 3 is 0. Alright. Alright, and we have picked now I will show you this marker dot. As you can see, lock is open. Alright, so let's get this fella. Everything is working. Sidebar, and let's start. Alright, so here we have it. Abloy Profile. Pick it and got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in comments. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.